Step-by-step guide to getting mortgage pre-approval. In this video I cover the mortgage pre-approval process, understanding your financial health, a pre-approval checklist, how to calculate your affordability, documentation required for mortgage pre-approval, selecting the right mortgage lender, completing the pre-approval application, the mortgage pre-approval process. Navigating the path to mortgage pre-approval can seem daunting, but with the right guidance, it's a straightforward process. Here is a breakdown of the steps you need to follow to secure your mortgage pre-approval in Canada. Understanding your financial health, a pre-approval checklist. Before diving into the application process, it's critical to have a clear understanding of your financial situation. This checklist is your starting point. Assess your income. Gather recent pay stubs, tax returns, and any other documentation that proves your income. Consistency and stability in your earnings are key factors lenders consider. Calculate your debt-to-income ratio. This is a crucial metric lenders use to determine your ability to manage monthly payments. Include all your debts, such as car loans, student loans, and credit card balances. Check your credit score. Your credit score is a significant factor in the mortgage approval process. In Canada, scores above 680 are generally considered favorable. Obtain your credit report from major credit bureaus and ensure there are no errors. Evaluate your savings and investments. Lenders will want to see that you have funds for a down payment and closing costs. Provide recent statements of your bank accounts, investments, and any other assets. How to calculate your affordability. Determining how much you can afford is more than just considering the maximum loan amount a lender might offer. Consider these factors. Monthly mortgage payments. Use online mortgage calculators to estimate your monthly payments. Remember, your payments should be manageable alongside your other financial obligations. Down payment. The size of your down payment affects your mortgage amount and your loan-to-value ratio. In Canada, the minimum down payment is 5% of the home's purchase price, but a higher down payment can reduce your overall interest payments. Closing costs. These can include legal fees, land transfer taxes, and other administrative expenses. Typically, set aside 1.5% to 4% of the purchase price for these costs. Documentation required for mortgage pre-approval. Gathering the right documents beforehand can expedite the pre-approval process. Here's what you'll typically need. Proof of identity and legal status. Valid government-issued identification and proof of legal status in Canada are essential. Proof of employment. This can be employment letters, recent pay stubs, or proof of business income if self-employed. Financial statements. Bank statements, investment accounts, and other financial assets. Credit information. Though the lender will check your credit score, having your own recent credit report can be useful. Property details. If you already have a specific property in mind, details like the listing and any offer documents can be helpful. Selecting the right mortgage lender. The choice of lender can impact the terms of your mortgage, so it's important to shop around. Compare rates and terms. Look at various banks, credit unions, and online lenders. Consider both the interest rates and terms they offer. Consider a mortgage broker. Brokers can offer a range of products from various lenders and might help you find better rates or terms. Completing the pre-approval application. Once you have your documentation in order and have chosen a lender or broker, fill out the application form. Provide accurate and detailed information. Any discrepancies can delay or derail your application. Answer any lender queries promptly. Be responsive to any additional information or clarification the lender might need. Wait for approval. The lender will review your application, run a credit check, and assess your financial situation. This process can take a few days to a week. Following these steps carefully will not only prepare you for the mortgage pre-approval process but will also enhance your understanding of what you can afford, ultimately leading to a smoother home buying experience.